Hey, go. Take a picture over here. Hello. Hey, hello from Indonesia. Very good. So kind people over here. Okay, let's go. People doing here something. Selamat pagi. Pagi. Well, it's like Landry over here. Landry? Okay. Oh. Apa kabar? Good. Apa kabar? Hello. It's very good here. Pretty quiet place. Absolutely incredible, guys. Okay, bye. Sampai jumpa, guys. Bye. Thank you so much. Selamat pagi. Selamat pagi, mother. Hello. Apa kabar? This is your place? Yeah, very good. You're so beautiful. You look very good. It's so nice. Like you. Yeah. We're walking here. Mother, you look very good. Oh yeah. Apa kabar? Baik? Not here. Oh, okay. I don't understand what you're talking about, but I think it's very good. You look very good. Thank you so much, mother. Thank you so much. Appreciate you for your time. It's beautiful place here. So, look at this beautiful lady, guys. This mother is very beautiful. Terima kasih, mother, for this beautiful place. Say hello. Terima kasih. Bye. Okay. Bye. Terima kasih. Bye. Sampai jumpa. Bye. Okay, guys. We are continuing our journey. Mother was really beautiful, so love it. To be honest, people who live here very kind. It's a little bit different when I traveled around Sumatra in Med and over one. It's a little bit different in Padang city, in Bukit Tinggi as well. I don't know how to explain that, but maybe in our atmosphere and energy over here, because it's in mountains, maybe it's a little bit different, because here people live a little bit simple, and that's amazing. So anyway, it's very good. I'm so excited being here. It's super cool, guys. Selamat sore. Okay, guys. We're continuing our journey over here. It's some market in the village, some street food as well. You can buy for a drink. Selamat sore. Hello. Selamat sore. It's some food over here. It's set for eating. Selamat sore. Apa kabar? Bye. Good. Very good. Very beautiful here. Okay, look at this view, guys. A lot of mountains. You can buy some stuff over here for hiking, I think. So anyway, it looks perfect. I love it. It seems like Quang Nha in Vietnam, I think, or maybe Ninh Binh, but it looks different. Selamat sore. Sorry, apa kabar? Bye. Very good. Oh, it's some juice over here. Clack. Okay, very good. Absolutely breathtaking. It's banana. It's fried banana over here. Hello. Look at that, guys. It's really tasty. I tried it before. Hello, selamat sore. Some food over here. Some nasi. It says. It looks really tasty. Wow, very good. Okay, guys. It's market in this village. I guess you can find here anything you want. It's banana. Hello, hello. Selamat sore. Sorry. Okay, maybe later. Okay, some fruits over here. Hello, mother. Hello, sister. How you doing? Apa kabar? Bye. Oh, so beautiful. How much is one bench? How much is one? One bench. How much is one?
Berapa? 5 boleh? 5 boleh itu berapa? Ini satu.
15. 15 for one bench. 15. 1 5. 1 5. 0 0. Yeah, for one bench.
Ini kan?
Yeah.
15.
1 5.
Apa cara mau popitinya nih?
Show me, please. 1 and 1 and 5. Okay, it's good price. Okay, very good. Thank you so much. Terima kasih. Okay. A lot of stuff over here as well. Hey guys, apa kabar? Bye bye. Good. Hello, flower. What is that? I have no idea what is that. Maybe in future. Thank you so much. Terima kasih. This looks authentic. Look at this. Mountains and some market over here. Looks pretty cool, guys. Hello, hello. Selamat sore. Sorry. They are smiling of me, I think. Maybe I tell something this way I'm not correct. But anyway, it's okay. Okay. It's some rice. It's like potato, but it's not potato.
Potato?
It's not potato?
Yeah.
Potato?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, looks cool. It's like chips.
No, this potato.
It's potato.
Yeah.
Oh, very good.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye. Oh, it's pretty nice place. To find something interesting, get some energy from this place. You can see where there's some river, guys. You can rent something and chilling over here. It's like small lake over here. It's going to waterfall over here. Ah, it's waterfall, but it's not so big right now because it's dry season. Ah, okay. But I saw some picture from here. It was really big, but now, oh, it's so small. But hello, hello. Selamat sore. Oh, it looks pretty good. Look at this view, guys. Hello, selamat sore. Anyway, it's pretty good place for to fresh water and swim a little bit. Why not? It's good. It's good. Okay, guys. Let's travel and continue our journey. Okay, let's go. Look at the food. I think it's maybe like maybe seafood. Maybe cheese, maybe tofu. I don't know exactly. But it's deep fried. Every food. Hello, selamat sore. Pagi. Okay. Ah, selamat siang. Okay, yeah. No, sorry, yeah. Selamat siang. Selamat siang. Hello, hello, hello. Apa kabar? Bye bye. Sampai jumpa. Okay, guys. Waterfall is much better over here. Here is market as well. Selamat siang. Selamat siang. Yeah. Apa kabar? Bye. Oh, good. Very good. Okay. 1 second. Oh, very beautiful. Hello. Hello. Apa kabar? Bye. Very good. Oh, so beautiful place over here. Look at that. People are chilling here, swimming everywhere. It's fresh air, fresh water over here. I think it's pretty cold, but it's good for freshen up over here. So this big area over here, so beautiful. A lot of people over here. So that's amazing. Absolutely breathtaking. Yeah, absolutely breathtaking over here, guys. Okay.
Halo, Mister.
Hello, hello.
Speak Indonesia.
Little bit.
Speak Indonesia.
Sik.
Sedikit-sedikit.
Sik. Siki.
Ya.
Oh.
Wah. Iko banyak kamu tahu.
Okay, come. Take the picture.
Iko ya.
Hey, go. Take a picture over here. Hello. Take hello from Indonesia. Very good. So kind people over here. Okay, let's go.